Hello, everyone. My name is Aaron Singleton. I'm a medical intuitive and energy healer from the Way to Balance in Amesbury, Mass. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the resonance of this garnet. Now, I'm going to start sending the energy of the garnet to you right now. Some of you will feel it immediately. Some of you, it will take a little bit of time. That's why I'm starting early. All right. So what is it about garnet that makes it so special? Well, for me, I find it to be an excellent crystal for relaxing the muscles. So whether it's worn as a pendant, laid on the body in a healing session, or projected as I'm doing it right now. So feel the resonance of the garnet in your body. So this is not a visual. Don't be looking so hard at my hand. I am holding it and projecting it. So the energy of it is coming to you, coming to an area or areas of your body where you are holding muscle tension. All right, take a breath, focus gently, not too hard. All right, feel the resonance. So when you think in terms of crystals, all crystals have their own frequency. This has been determined by science. This is why you have ruby lasers and we have other things that are based on crystals. All right. Lasers are even, and the refracting of light to create the lasers is based on mirrors. And what are mirrors made of? Quartz. All right. Feel the resonance. What area or areas of your body do you feel relaxing? Or do you just feel the energy? Over the next few months, I'm going to be sharing many discoveries like this with you, and I hope you will follow me on Facebook and YouTube and other platforms and feel the resonance. Thank you.